With HP multi-jet fusion technology, we can print very thin wall thicknesses for your drone components, dramatically reducing weight without compromise to the functionality of those components. The level of precision is coming from HP MJF's capabilities that creates highly detailed and highly repeatable parts at scale. This is especially important for drone applications where every gram counts, especially for unmanned aerial systems where flight time, flight range, or the amount of payload are critical for its operation. Every gram that we can save would increase the flight time, would increase the flight range, or would increase the payload that the drone can carry. This ability to create light and reliable parts with our 5600 technology makes MJF a very powerful tool for any drone manufacturer in the world. A phenomenal example is this wing section. This is a section from a wing from a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The original aircraft is made in foam, and redesigning it without compromising its functionality allowed us to reduce the weight of the drone to a very considerable amount.